Greetings everyone, welcome back to the Innovate and Elevate series, your go-to place for insights that propel your potential to new heights. Today's conversation orbits around a pivotal skill in our fast-paced world, time management. It might sound a bit dry to some, but mastering this skill can be a game changer. In our modern lives, where distractions and demands on our time are in constant supply, it's essential to know how to manage time effectively. Whether a busy professional, a student with a jam-packed schedule, or just someone trying to strike a work-life balance, these time management strategies will help gain control over the day and achieve more with less stress. First off, prioritize tasks. Commonly, people try to juggle everything simultaneously, resulting in feelings of being overwhelmed and scattered. Instead, spend a few moments at the start of each day identifying the top priorities and focus on those first. Moving on, the power of saying no. It's easy to be tempted to say yes to every request, but to truly master time management, it's crucial to prioritize personal needs and commitments. Don't hesitate to politely decline invitations or delegate tasks when necessary. A crucial strategy is to break tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. A large project can seem daunting, but dividing it into smaller, actionable steps makes it more manageable. Lastly, remember to take breaks. It might seem counterproductive, but regular breaks throughout the day can actually enhance focus and productivity. Whether it's a short stroll outside or a quick meditation session, these breaks can recharge the batteries and maintain peak performance. That wraps up today's episode on time management. Hopefully these tips provide a fresh perspective on managing time effectively and inspire to take charge of the schedule, making the most of every moment. Remember, mastering time management is a journey, not a destination. So, be patient and persistent as these strategies are incorporated into daily life. Thanks for joining another episode of Innovate and Elevate. Until next time, continue innovating, elevating, and striving for greatness.